welcome to my channel. It's me, Organzan. Today I wanted to make a Valentine's Day decoration for my door, my front door. And so I went off to the Dollar Tree and I got some of these little craft supplies. I ended up not using this contact paper with the wood look to it because it wasn't big enough for the largest heart. So I don't know, I messed up there, but ended up using a piece of scrapbook paper from a scrapbook that I found at a thrift shop. So I was happy about that. And then I got some of this ribbon and the paints I used, I got some white chalk paint, some black acrylic paint, and then this little red acrylic paint, but I ended up changing the color of that red paint. And then some flowers from the Dollar Tree. So yeah, let's get started. So here is that scrapbook paper. Like I said, I found this at the bins, the Goodwill bins, and I was really happy about it because it's brand new and oh my gosh, it's got some really cute scraps of paper in there. So I can't wait to create with all that. So this is the paper that I ended up using. I like this color red and it's kind of got that antique-y look to it. So I'm just going to trace it and cut it out and then add some Mod Podge to the largest wooden heart. I actually think this little metal heart is pretty cute with the hands on the front, and I'm going to take those hands off and save them for something else at a later time. But yeah, so I'm going to remove the string as well, and then pop off all the glue best I can, clean it all up, and then I'm going to use the white chalk paint. I'm going to use a little sponge so I can get in all the little crevices and get that coated. Now I'm going to take the little hearts with the wire and cut that wire off. I'm going to use the little white one there and I'm going to paint it with the red. And I got this red that matches the big heart. It's kind of what I guess you'd call that a cardinal red.
Laid under the willow tree the last weekend of summer. The autumn to discover. If I would have had the worthiness to be the perfect lover, would you stay under the willow tree when I asked if you would be? Would you be my Valentine? Still I lie within the memory, devoted as your lover. You could take my hands and cover your eyes and tell me there's no other. Would you be my Valentine? Would you be my Valentine?
So I'm just going to sand the metal heart here and just distress it a little. I'm not going to distress it too much though.
Would you be my Valentine?
I'm going to just make this little rustic boat here with little pieces of burlap and then some of the ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree. Just crisscross it, each piece, and then grab it in the middle And then just take a little piece of ribbon and tie a knot in the back.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you.
And then you just turn it over and fluff it all up. It's a really easy way to make a cute bow.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Where I'd rather be.
I hope you enjoyed watching me make this Valentine's Day heart. I think it came out really pretty. I hope you think so too.
I can't believe.
If you did like this video, I hope you will hit the like button and consider subscribing. That would be awesome. Until next time, bye for now, friends.